In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reddit search operators to find content quickly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to narrow your searches so you get exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling endlessly through unrelated posts. Let's start with the basics. At the top of the Reddit page or app, you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and click on the search area above. This is where you'll type in your keywords and also where you can add simple operators to filter your results. Think of operators as little instructions you give to Reddit to focus your search. First, let's talk about searching within a specific subreddit. Sometimes you don't want results from all over Reddit. You only want posts from one community. To do that, type your search term, followed by subreddit, and then the name of the subreddit. For example, if you're searching for camera advice only in a photography community, you might type your keywords, then add subreddit photography. This tells Reddit to ignore every other community and only show results from that one place. It's especially useful when a topic is popular and you want more focused, expert discussions. Next, you can search by author. This is handy when you remember who posted something, but not exactly what they wrote. To search by author, include author, followed by their username in your search. For example, you could type your keyword, then author.username. Reddit will then prioritize posts or comments created by that person. This can help you track down specific guides, long explanations, or popular posts you know came from a particular user. Sometimes you only care about what's written in the post title, not the full body of the post. In that case, you can search by title only. Add title in front of the word or phrase you want to appear in the title. This is perfect when you're looking for things like beginner's guide, FAQ, or mega thread, and you know it's likely in the title rather than buried in the text. Finally, you can search comments only. This is great when you're trying to find discussions, answers, or advice that might not appear in the main post. To focus on comments, you can use the search bar normally, then use the filters to switch to comments, or rely on comment-focused operators depending on the interface you're using. This helps you tap into conversations where people share solutions, experiences, and detailed opinions. Combine these approaches as needed, and you'll be able to navigate Reddit much more efficiently and find content quickly and precisely.